First off, I'd like to thank you for visiting our PPF page, or paint protection film, aka Clear Bra. In this video, I'm going to be describing exactly what a PPF is, what it'll protect from, the warranties and the particular brand that we like to use, what your vehicle will go through in this particular service, the different types of packages that we offer. So if that sounds good to you, let's go ahead and dive on in. So a paint protection film is a clear, thin layer of protection. So it's gonna be adhesive, polyurethane, and clear coat. A lot like a screen protector to your cell phone. What this is gonna protect from is, road debris, bug etches, rock chips, surface scratches, to a certain extent, other, chemical etching or bird droppings, bug guts, things of that nature that can damage your actual finish. This paint protection film is gonna be like a true sacrificial layer that's gonna be on top of the paint. This stuff is not bulletproof by any means, but it definitely holds up to a pretty good impact. Screwdriver in my hand just to kind of show you, how hard it is to get something to break through it. And what that's going to basically prevent is a potential trip to the body shop. This paint protection film also has like a sponge factor. So once it's on your vehicle's paint and say a rock or something flies up off the road, it's going to cushion into the PPF itself, kind of deflecting and bouncing off the paint versus crashing into a hard surface of the paint and chipping or scratching. All right, now let's touch on the brand of the film and the warranty information. So here at Texas Shine Doctor, we decided to go with what I felt was the most reliable of the PPF world, and that's gonna be Autobahn Incognito, and for 4 big reasons. Reason number 1 is gonna be that they are the only PPF on the market that offers a lifetime warranty, when other competitive films are gonna be offering anywhere from like 5 to 10-year warranties. Number 2 being that this film has little to almost no orange peel. So those of you that aren't familiar with what orange peel is, go ahead and picture an orange. Hey! And you can see all the little craters that are in it. That's why they call it orange peel in the world of paint. That's pretty much what orange peel is. You see it a lot in OEM paints nowadays. All right, now that we've talked about the visuals, let's get into the general popular options that we offer. So across the industry, you're gonna hear a partial front, you're gonna hear a full front, you're gonna hear track package, you're gonna hear full coverage. Not really gonna touch on the partial front because I'm not a huge fan of it. Primary reason is that you'll see an exposed edge across your hood, and over time it's going to collect like debris and trash and all that, and it just doesn't look very good. Next 2 popular packages are going to be a full front or a track package. This specific customer decided to go full front with the PPF on this vehicle, and we're doing a self-healing ceramic coating on the rest of it. So a full front is going to consist of a full hood coverage, a full front fender coverage, and a full front bumper coverage. All edges are wrapped, so it's completely transparent. The other popular option that I think is probably my favorite is going to be the truck or track package, and that is because it's not only going to cover the full front of the vehicle, it's going to consist of the A-frame, and it's going to cover your rockers from front to rear, along with rear splash guards and a trunk strip if you got a car or a sedan, and then we have our full coverage option. All right, let's touch on full vehicle coverage. Full vehicle PPF wraps are gonna be your big baller, your bulletproof, your peace of mind, your ease of sleep at night, because you can pretty much wash that thing with a brick. This particular customer, he isn't gonna go gloss, he's gonna go matte PPF. So what matte PPF is gonna do, no matter what color you put it on, it's gonna take the gloss off of it. So in this case, since it's black, it's gonna be a matte black whenever we're done with it. If you put it on white, it would be a matte white or a frost white. That's probably one of my favorites. Put it on red, it'll be a matte red, green, matte green, so on and so forth. Full vehicle PPF coverages are gonna be a little bit more involved. We like to disassemble handles, mirrors, and badges, and any kind of little pieces that we can remove to make a full seamless install so that you can't tell if there's PPF on it if it's gloss, and obviously if it's matte, you'll be able to tell there's got a matte finish on it. All right, well that about wraps it up. Thanks for tuning in. Check us out on our website, www.texasshinedoc.com. Give us a call at 832-745-3397. Do know if you get one of our PPF or ceramic coating services that you're not only getting a top quality product, but you're also getting it installed by the best team in Cypress. So come join the Wolf Pack.